Let's take a look at the problem 2.10. So they want us to find this signal is periodic or not. And if it is, then we need to find fundamental period T naught and fundamental frequency omega naught. In this signal x of t, we have two separate signals. x1 of t equals cosine 2t. And from here, we can find fundamental period for this signal only, and that is 2 pi over 2. This is 2. Oh, I got 2. And 2 pi, we know is period of the sine and cosine. So that is pi. And then we have a second signal, x2 of t equals sine 5t. The fundamental period for the second one is going to be 2 pi over 5. That means we have 2 pi over 5 as the second fundamental period. See whether we sum up these two signals are periodic or not. Just find the ratio of T01 over T02 or T02 over T01. Doesn't matter which one goes to the numerator, which one goes to the denominator. So T01, we have 2 pi over 2. T02, 1 over 2 pi over 5. So I'm going to write it 5 over 2 pi. That is 5 over 2 ratio of integers. That means it is periodic function. To find the fundamental period for both, we need to do LCM, least common multiple of those two. That is pi and 2 pi for the numerator. And for the denominator, the omega parts, we need to do GCD, greatest common divisor or highest common factor. We have 1 comma 5. So for the numerator, should be 2 pi and the denominator should be 1. Therefore, is the 2 pi. Omega naught equals 2 pi over T naught, which is 1 radians per second. Next problem, this time the signal is given using exponential functions. Similar way, we have x1 of t equals e to the negative j15t. That's the first one. And omega naught equals to 15. How? Because of this number. That means T naught equals to 2 pi over 15. Second signal of this is e to the positive j20t. Omega 02 now equals to 20. Where you get the 20 from here, that is T02 is now 2 pi over 20. So the ratio this time, I'm going to do T02 over T01, 2 pi over 20 times 1 over T01. T01 is 2 pi over 15. Therefore, 1 over T01 is 15 over 2 pi. So it is 3 over 4. Again, it is ratio of integers. Therefore, it is periodic signal. Find the fundamental period of combined signal should be LCM 2 pi over GCD 15 and 20. LCM least common multiple 2 pi, obviously that is 2 pi, but greatest common divisor, this time we have a 5. And fundamental period omega naught 2 pi over T naught, 2 pi times 1 over T naught, 5 over 2 pi, that is 5 radian per second.